We all know social media is an important part of amplifying the BNI community and building a strong brand online. But it can be either a detriment or a boon depending on how well you do it. And we know doing social media and keeping it consistent across regions can be very hard. For many national, regional, and chapter teams, social media can be completely overwhelming. It's hard to know what to post, how to keep things on brand, and most importantly, how to be consistent. And without consistency, engagement falls and the brand takes a hit online. That's exactly why we created the Social Media AI Accelerator, a simple, practical, and AI-powered program designed to make it easy for every BNI team to show up strong online. So every month, you'll get a content drop with a fresh monthly calendar with all of the posts for that month, as well as editable templates and sometimes even including videos. We'll also help you and walk you through how to customize these videos for your region or country. Every month, there'll also be a masterclass on social media best practices, using technology, adapting to new trends, and how to introduce creativity in your social media marketing. On top of that, you'll have access to our team of experts, both on the live calls as well as in a WhatsApp community on an ongoing basis to answer your questions, help with implementation, and make it as easy as possible for you to implement what we provide to you. And last but definitely not least, we'll help you walk through the right technology, how to choose the right tools for each aspect of your social media, and how to use them to the fullest extent, as well as where and when to use AI, and sometimes when not to use AI, which can be equally important. Our goal is to make every BNI country, region, and chapter part of a unified digital presence that really showcases the power and scale of our BNI community all over the world. If you're ready to strengthen your online presence and make social media work for you, click the link below to learn more about the Social Media AI Accelerator. Thank you, and we look forward to working with you and helping you strengthen your online presence and social media through the power of a community and technology.